A very good afternoon to all the friends in Korea. A very good morning to all the friends in India. Anyo, Hashim, Nika. It's indeed a pleasure to be here today and to be interacting with such esteemed audience. I would just take you through introducing what Punjab is and what we stand for in the state. At the outset, let me assure you all that we are an extremely focused lot of people in Punjab, and we are very clear as to how we are going to steer our industrial environment. And this is what we have been doing for the last almost 1 decade. This is where we are strategically located up in the north of the country. We are just 55 minutes away by air from the national capital of Delhi. We are very well connected to the national highways from Delhi and other parts of the country. We are a small state, just 1.5% of the India's land area, but yet we contribute almost 3% to the GDP of the country, which shows the productivity, which shows what Punjab is capable in terms of value addition in the state. This small state, 1.5% land mass, is known as the food bowl of the country, very proudly, and with great labor. We are playing a very important role in the food security of the nation. We are one of the largest manufacturers of various other products, tractors. We are accounting 29% of the total India's production. We are leading manufacturer of bicycle, the leader. Over 75% of the entire bicycle manufacture in the country comes from this small states. We are leaders in textile. Over 65% of the woolen hosiery of the entire country is being manufactured in the small 1.5% of the India's land mass. There are other sectors where we are strong. So this was a slide which I really talked about just initially. Leaders in food, leaders in tractors and auto parts, leaders in bicycle, and leaders in textile. This is what we are. Nestle, back in 1961, a Swiss company in food sector, when they scouted India 5-6 decades ago, they scouted the country, and finally they started their India journey from Punjab. Of course, there has to has a reason for scouting the entire country and then starting their journey from Punjab. The journey continues like that. Suzu, 1985, auto sector from Japan. 1989, PepsiCo, food company from US. And let me remind you all that 1991 is when we launched our economic liberalization era. So even before liberalization, Pepsi started their operations in the state of Punjab. Walmart, 2009, again started their journey, India journey from Punjab. CNFCO, Spanish company, recently, they are starting their India journey from the state of Punjab. And there are many other partners, many other MNCs which are present in the state of Punjab. And it's been an honor to facilitate them and have them as integral part of the industrial landscape of the state. Now, Punjab and South Korea, of course, two regions with very high value addition possibilities and potential. The exports majorly are into cotton yarn, woolen yarn, and fabrics, but we also cover huge amount of other products like bulk drugs, like chemicals, like rubber products, plastic sheets, and so on and so forth. Very good academic partnerships have been forged between different universities, and it is not only in semester exchange, but also in faculty exchange, in summer programs, internship programs, and so on and so forth. And I'm very happy to share that this particular area of partnerships between Punjab and Korean universities is increasing day by day. And we are very happy to have more footprint of the South Korean education sector in the state of Punjab. A state which is very well connected, a small state having 2 international and 4 domestic airports. We are connected to Seoul just 7.5 hours, 55 minutes flight to New Delhi. almost 8 to 10 flights per day, and 6.5 hours from their non-stop flights, 2 to 3 flights every day to Seoul. Any investment decision would depend on an analysis of factors of production, and that is what is our competitive edge and strength. Electricity, we are a net exporter of electricity in the country. The rate is extremely competitive. 80 Korean won per unit is the variable tariff that is there in the state. Workforce is very peaceful. There is no major strike in last 3 decades, and we would be very happy if you would randomly call up any industrial unit in the state of Punjab and take a feedback if they ever faced any labor problem in the state. The state is providing 24/7 shifts across all genders and very competitive wages. Very importantly, we do not impose any domicile condition on the employment of labor. So the company, the investor, is free to choose its labor mix from all parts of the country and all parts of the world. We are ranked second in the ease of logistics, first in safety and security of cargo movements. We have a very good network of container depots and logistics park, both in private and public sector, and extremely good rail and road connectivity. The tele-density of the country, of the state, is also very high. We are first in India in the international subscriber base per capita population, and we are in the top 5 states in optical fiber net connectivity in the country. A very important constituent would be skilled human capital. We are very fortunate. Skilling and education in one sector, we are giving a lot of emphasis. Premier institutes, national and international, from technology to food to business to management, nanosciences, fashion, agriculture, pharmaceutical. All these institutes provide a very good network for skilling people for the requisite traits which the industry requires, especially the ones which are more in focus while collaborating with South Korea. And what's more, we have a very good research and development ecosystem. And not only within the state or within the country, but very meaningful partnerships have been forged with the best in the world, whether it is NCCU Taiwan, or whether with Israel, or whether Indo-Dutch Centers of Excellence in Floriculture. We are also very fortunate to have the country's only fabrication lab, a semiconductor lab, full-fledged facility which is running, and a huge potential for collaboration in that sector, which I'll come a little later in the presentation. Factors of production, fiscal incentives. The bottom line is very, very important. And we provide one of the best incentives, unique incentives. Our GST reimbursement is a unique model. Wherein entire sales within the country, all the GST levied on that, the net outflow is eligible for reimbursement. It is one of its kind in the state, and we would be very happy actually to work with the teams of the investors to make them understand as to how this changes the bottom line of any project, especially the project which attract high rates of GST in the country. Again, employment generation subsidy is something which is very, very liberal. Whatever number of employees one employs, all employees across the board are eligible for 5 years. And there is no upper cap on that. And we provide very handsome employment generation subsidy for investor in anchor category. And there are other usual incentives, fiscal incentives, in terms of purchase of land, in terms of electricity duty, in terms of development of land, and so on and so forth. Ease of doing business is very important. How do we go once we land up in the state of Punjab? We have a complete one-stop office. Now, this office is truly one-stop because all the powers of 23 different departments are vested in this single office. An investor is not required to go to any other department, meet any other bureaucrat or any other officer or any other political leader. It is our own office and one dedicated relationship officer who is going to see through the entire project right from the exploration stage till the grounding stage and the aftercare sessions. We also take care of the fiscal incentives that are due to the investor and see to it that they are delivered within the time-bound time. Our portal has had an average user rating of 4.6 out of 5, and we are delivering all the consents in a time-bound manner. As in the states of Gujarat and Telangana, for MSME in our state also, one can simply, based on a self-certification, start their operations at the time of landing in the state, and no prior approvals are required for that. Of course, wherever prior approvals are required, we are duty bound. By law, we have to provide the approvals within the due dates, 7 days, 15 days, and 21 days for different certifications. And which are assured by virtue of legal provisions in the state. Quality of life, again, yes, people, senior management would probably come from different parts of the world, and this is what we are: best in health. Indian Happiness Report, which is the latest, we are ranked second in the country, the people over here. We are third best in governance and political stability, which is a national level report. Foreign students, we are attracting third highest in the number of foreign students. Very good ecosystem of colleges and universities, and we are amongst the lowest in cognizable crime rate in the country. This is the National Crime Report Bureau data. Now, some sectors I would like to touch upon. Agri and food processing, as I have mentioned, we are leaders, and that is where we have attracted our first and very, very valued investor from Korea, Sunjin Corporation, which established their unit in 2018. They started their operations in 2018, and now they are expanding within a span of just 2 years. They are expanding their operations. Huge opportunities in meat products, organic products, animal feed, dairy products, alcoholic beverages, infant food. I mean, the complete value chain is here. We have world's best brand across all continents in the state. We have dedicated research centers and plug-and-play facilities for any investor who can just land in the state of Punjab and start operations in our any plug-and-play facilities. Engineering is another sector. We account for 25% of the secondary steel market of the country. Huge availability of raw material for machine and hand tools and precision engineering. We are very happy to share that we manufacture alloy steel, which is in the value chain of Tesla. This is the skill set, this is the level of production that we do in the state of Punjab. And of course, we have major brands all across different continents, whether Japanese, whether US based, whether German, from Europe, from different parts of the world. And we are waiting with bated breath to have a unit from South Korea in our engineering and electronics sector. And I can tell you there are huge opportunities in industrial machinery, in precision equipments, in e-bike and e-auto sector, rail coach parts, agri and farm machinery. Again, plug-and-play facilities are existing, and we would be very happy to work with the teams of investors from Korea and find a suitable business proposition and a suitable location. Electronics is again very important sector, and we are very proud and very pleased that we are that part of ecosystem which has played a very important role in ASICs designing, and we were closely related to the moon mission of the country, a proud moment for the state of Punjab, in our semiconductor lab, which is situated in Punjab, near Chandigarh in Mohali. We have also contributed to the CERN initiative in Geneva, again in microelectronics and ASIC design. And we would be very willing to see investments in electronic sector, like mobile manufacturing, consumer durables, engineering design, and semiconductor wafer fab facilities. Plug-and-play facilities exist dedicated for this sector as well. Pharma and medical devices is something which is very important for Punjab, and it is coming up as a very important sector. Our companies have collaborated with US, Europe, and German companies to bring in new investments. American giant Centrient has recently invested and expanded. Sun Pharma, Fortune 500 company, is there for a long time. We are the largest manufacturers of American ibuprofen in the world. Ellingers is into medical devices. Huge opportunities exist in medical devices and pharmaceutical industries. We are coming up with a dedicated bulk drug park, which is going to be a game changer. Extremely great incentives, very, very competitive. And I'm sure that it will make a lot of financial sense to explore the huge opportunities up in northern part of the country, because northern India is a market in itself, very dense population, and we are there in northern part of the country, almost having access to 33% of this 1.4 billion market. A brief snapshot of the different plug-and-play facilities and industrial parks spread out across the state, and very much on the dedicated freight corridors, which are going to change the logistics scene for better even more. Investor testimonials. This is SML Isuzu, 35 years of presence in the state, and that's what they say, no strike in last 30 years. Godrej Tyson started 3 years ago, and the journey has been extremely satisfying. I can assure you that we have a great hunger for investments. The state has been leaders in various sectors, and we would like to climb up the value chain. That is exactly what the Seoul and Korean investment can do to us. I have visited Seoul some years ago, and what a region, what a country, and we aspire to gain that technological partnerships from Korea. We would be very happy to suggest and bring in credible joint venture partners from the state of Punjab and the investors in Korea. We are indeed a true single window system, and we would like us to be tested. Please test us as to how we assist and facilitate our investors. And I very strongly encourage to take independent feedback from any of the industry or any of the MNCs which are present in the state of Punjab as to what kind of culture, what kind of business, commerce, trade, and manufacturing culture and environment exists in the state of Punjab. Would be very happy to sit bilaterally. Me and my team are available 24/7, and I mean it. 24/7 is 24/7. And please reach out to us. The details are there on the website, and would be very happy to work alongside you and to see many of you in the state of Punjab. Humbly, I extend my invitation to all the participants here today to kindly work with us, and let's see if we can bring in some meaningful opportunities for you which are financially very, very viable. Thank you very much.